Today I am going to discuss the zoology assignment dated 14th of September. Question number 1. In the question number 1, it was asked as a simple form of movement caused by the streaming of the protoplasm. Simple type of movement caused by the streaming of protoplasm in the unicellular animals is called as amoeboid movement. Amoeboid movement is the most simplest style of movement in the animal kingdom, most simple form of movement. It is caused by the streaming of protoplasm and is affected by the finger-like structures called pseudopodia. So it is an amoeboid movement. The option is question number 1 for the option, key option is 3. Question number 1, key option is 3. It is amoeboid movement. Remember, simple form movement, streaming of protoplasm. Those are the two key words for this bit. Next, question number 2. Which of the following locomotory structures not only help in the locomotion but also help in food collection or food capture? Then we have to go for cilia and the pseudopodia. Remember, flagella never helps in the food collection. Flagella never help in the food collection action. So food capture action is given by the cilia and pseudopodia in the majority of the animals. So key is second option. Cilia and pseudopodia. Next, question number 3. For question number 3, let us go through. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. It was given. First statement. Option number 1. Locomotory structures need to be different. No, it should not be. As in the NCERT, it was given that locomotory structures need not be different. Need to be different. It is need not be different from those affecting the other types of movements and activities. So first option itself shows the incorrect statement. Need not be different. It should be like need not be different. There the need to be different is said to be wrong here. Here the wrong option is given here. Need not need to, need not it is. Need not be different from those which are affecting the other types of movements and activities. Right. So answer option is 1. Question number 4. The swimming movement of spermatozoon or sperm is affected by. The sperm moves with the help of the tail, a tail-like structure, which is nothing but a flagellum. So fourth option. Swimming movement is helped by the flagellum of the spermatozoon, which is in the form of tail of the sperm. Here in case of sperm, it is called as tail. It acts as tail for the sperm. Right. Next, so key option is 4. Next, question number 5. Statements. Read the following statements. Statement S1. Methods of locomotion performed by the animals vary or differ with their habitats as well as the demand of the situation. Correct. So S1 is correct. Next, let us go through S2. Voluntary movement that results in the change of place or change of location of the body of animals is called as locomotion. Yes, S2 is also correct. So both S1 and S2 are correct. Where is the answer now? Both S1 and S2 are true. Third option. Key is 3. Then next 6th question. Matching. Let us go through column 1 and column 2. Amoeba. Amoeba has got pseudopodia, the finger-like structure is called pseudopodia, that not only help in its locomotion but also help in food capture. Next, paramecium. Paramecium has got cilia. These cilia not only help in collection of the food through cytopharynx but also the cilia on the body surface help in the locomotion of the paramecium. So paramecium, cilia. Amoeba for pseudopodia. So A2, B3, B4. A2, B4. A2, B4 was given only in the second option. Question number 6. A4, A amoeba goes to pseudopodia 2. B4 paramecium cilia, euglena flagellum 1, 2, 4, 1, 3. First option. There is a ABCD matching. Here there is no matching for the term called muscles given in the column number 2 under fifth one. For muscles there is no coordination for the there is no matching in the column 1 for the muscles given at column 2. Right. Next, locomotion is generally performed by the animals for the purposes of what? For the search of food, for the search of proper protective shelter, for the search of the mate, for the search of suitable breeding grounds, in search of favorable climatic conditions, and also to escape either from enemies or the predators who attack them. So all of these. 7th question. 4th option. All of these is the answer. Next, let us go for question number 8. Followed by explanation. Next, question number 8. The cytoskeletal elements who are involved in the amoeboid movement, or simply say the cytoskeletal elements that are involved in the pseudopodia formation are microfilaments. First option. Microfilaments. Second option. Given in the second option. Microfilaments. Not micro elements, not micro needles, not microscopes, not microbes. Remember, it is microfilaments. Next, question number 9. The dust particles and some of the foreign substances that are inhaled along with the air during inhalation in the trachea, bronchi and bronchioles can be removed by the coordinated movements. When we say coordinated movements, we have to talk about cilia only. So, coordinated movements of cilia. Third option. Only cilia among the different locomotory organelles or locomotory structures present in the protozoan protistans, who are unicellular animals. For them, among these pseudopodia, flagella, cilia, etc., the only cilia will show the coordinated movement. So whenever we read in the question about the term coordinated movements, just to go for the cilia in case of the unicellular animals. In the multicellular animals who have got muscles, muscles also show coordinated movements. Okay. Next. So key is 3. Last question. Last question in the assignment. The passage of water in the canal system of sponges is effected by the flagella. Flagella is present for the cells, choanocytes or collar cells in the sponges contain flagella. These flagella, the movement of these flagella will help in driving the water into the vascular, into the canal system of the sponges, into the body of the sponges, and the same flagellar movement also guides the movement of water throughout the canal system, throughout the body cavity, and also towards the outside after the work is completed. The incoming water brings the nutrients, more oxygen and more food materials, while the outgoing water from the body of sponge takes away the waste materials along with CO2. So what we call this as the water currents. Water currents in the canal system of the sponges or puriferans is maintained by the flagella or movements or flagella. So first option flagella. Remember flagella of choanocytes, who are the cells that line the body cavity of the sponges as well as the canals of the sponges. Right. So that completes the assignment.